Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox on 2 different accounts at the same time. This is not inherently supported by Roblox, which usually limits you to 1 active game instance per computer. However, with a few simple techniques, you can easily open and manage 2 separate accounts. This allows for diverse gameplay, from trading between your own accounts to exploring different game modes simultaneously, all from a single device. One of the simplest ways to play with 2 accounts is by using both the dedicated Roblox application and a web browser. First, open the Roblox application and log in with your primary account. Start a game as usual. Next, open your preferred web browser, navigate to the Roblox website, and log in with your second account. When you select a game, the browser will prompt you to launch Roblox, opening a separate instance alongside your first one. This method uses minimal system resources. Another effective method involves using 2 entirely different web browsers. Begin by opening a browser like Google Chrome, logging into your first Roblox account, and starting a game. Then, launch a completely separate web browser, for example, Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Navigate to the Roblox website within this second browser, log in with your other account, and click to play a game. Each browser will manage its own independent Roblox instance, allowing for seamless simultaneous gameplay. This offers clear separation. For advanced users seeking maximum isolation, consider employing a virtual machine or sandbox software. A virtual machine, like VirtualBox, creates an entirely separate operating system within your computer, where you can install Roblox and run a second account without any interference from your main system. Alternatively, tools such as Sandboxy Plus allow you to run applications in an isolated environment, ensuring each Roblox instance operates independently and securely. This method provides robust protection for your account data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.